What is good, people? Thanks for tuning in to the MOTO Machines channel. In today's episode, I'm going to be out on my 190 Beast testing the new carb I've just installed, which is a NIBBI 28mm with an OO Racing Force air filter. If you want to see exactly what I've done, if you go to the previous video on this bike, it's all there. Anyway, I just want to come out for a test ride and see how it's working, if it's doing what it's meant to, or if I'm going to have to buy some new jets for it, etc. But it's been dry, but it's been trying to rain. Look, the clouds over there are a little bit dark, so I can't be wasting time. Finally then, let's give it a test ride. I'm just letting it warm up a minute, but already I've noticed something isn't right. Well, it's the same throttle cable. I'm sure it's routed the same. Something's not quite right, but I'll keep my eye on that. I'll sort that out. See, that's just a something to go on the snag list. Right then, it's plenty warm. Ah, Johnny, goggles. You don't want to fly in the eye this time of year? Certainly not. See the sprayer? Well, already it's feeling quite nice. Back off. Get ready to nail it when it's about halfway in the range. She's picking up straight away. Oh! I caught my foot in all that barley, wheat or whatever it is. That nearly pulled me off. Whoa! Butt out then. Oh, and then. What a carb! That was impressive. So far, so good. That's just pulling that. I can't really tell you if it's better than the original. I'm sure it is. It feels more grunty and it sounds more throaty. It's picking up fine all the way through the range. And she's spinning. Spinning that back wheel, so. I hate this long grass. Careful, I just can't even see if there's a big branch in the way. That thing's pulling. I can't see any problems yet. I don't think I'm going to have to make any adjustments. What's that all about? More partridge. Well, they'd be loving that. That's a delicatessen. It feels so weird out on this. Because I've just been on the electric bikes a lot recently. Just doing what it should do. Wow. Doing well, girl. I'm actually quite impressed. Might have to adjust that idle a little bit. Partridge. Crikey. What's up with them? Is it breeding season or something? Mating season? Let's try a bit further up the range. Watch. Back off. No problem. It's an instant. A bit higher here. There's no delay. It's I'm amazed. It's all working. I was expecting a massive headache. I'm very happy with that, really happy in fact. It's literally plug and play. From that test ride, I don't think I need to do anything. Well, I say I don't think, I know I don't. That's why I'm really pleased with it. But what I'm going to have to do is stick in a new spark plug, give it a few hours riding maybe, if that long, then check the spark plug and see what colour the end is. And that'll tell me if it's running rich or lean. It's really strange because I was expecting some sort of issue or, you know, needing to do some tweaking or something, but yeah, I'm surprised. That's spot on, perfect job. If you've got one of these 190 Zhongshen engines and you wanted to change the carb, try something different, well, the NIBBI 28mm fits straight on and you haven't got a problem. I went with the 28mm because OO Racing, who are quite renowned for their pit bike stuff, they're working on with the 28mm carb on this engine. So I thought, well, they're the professionals, why go for the 30 when they're working from the 28 and they think it's better for the engine, if you get what I mean. Also, I've definitely noticed though some sort of low down mid-range performance improvement. It just seems a lot more throaty and like it's got a lot more torque down low to mid. But I need to do a lot more testing to really get my final conclusion on that one. But my first impressions are, well, my first impressions and first test ride, I just can't complain. Right then, I think I'm going to wrap this one up now. It seems to be short and sweet. Hope you enjoyed this upload and thanks for watching the Motor Machines channel. Oh yeah, don't forget, actually there is one problem, isn't there? I nearly forgot, and that is the throttle cable. When I turn too much, it seems to pull the revs. I'll have to have a look at that when I get back.